Hey folks, thanks for tuning in again. Nate here at the RHRSwag install shop. We're really excited to go through some fast facts on the Putco TEC rails today. A really ingenious design from the masters when it comes to bed rails. You cannot find anything better than this, truly. We'll start with the physical install. As far as the mounting points, they are going to be a high strength construction, as well as vehicle specific. These are going to be custom inserts that you'll use. So no worries about the elements getting in or moisture being trapped inside of your pickup bed at all. Again, a nice thick body to the actual rail itself. You're going to have sections all along from front to back for Putco's Blade LED systems. Really great install setup there. And the dual T-slot channels along the top. So this is going to give you a great opportunity whether you need to move anything for recreation or for work. You're going to have two systems for tie downs, cargo cleats, absolutely anything that you need to get set with. The TEC rails can get the job done for you. Beautiful matte black textured finish, going to be a great complement or contrast to any color vehicle, any truck you have. Give us a call, check us out on Facebook or YouTube, and join us at RHRSwag.com.